This is number 3. Oops, trying to get the focus back in. There we go. Okay, I can't see a heartbeat right now. The baby's too far in the center. I'm doing this on my iPhone. Thought about trying it on the other camera too, but iPhone is faster to upload it. Ooh, let me see this from this angle. It's easier to do it from the iPhone to upload it than it is on the other camera, because the iPhone has Wi-Fi, but the other camera doesn't. So I have to load it from the camera to the computer, which takes forever. And then I gotta load it from there to YouTube, which takes forever. But from the iPhone, I can do it directly from the iPhone right onto YouTube. But I want you to see this is number 3. And I'm zoomed in really close. And I was hoping to see the baby heartbeat. But the baby's too far down in there. This is number 3. While I'm at it, let me see if I can do number 4. I'm going to leave this here. If it stays put, without rolling off. One. Because I can't pause the video on this camera. And I can't reach into the box without letting go of this. And I'm using my old iPhone number 5 to candle it. So if you don't mind, hang on 1 second, okay? Because this does not have a pause. See if I can reach in. Let's see who I grabbed. I grabbed number 2. Well, let me show you number 2 so you can see what an egg looks like that's not fertile. This is number 2. See? See, no veins, nothing. So we know that's not fertile. So hang on, let me see what else I can reach in the box. The box sitting right here to my right. What did I grab? Oh, here's number 1. Okay, hold on. You see, number 1's not fertile. I'm candling. Gosh, it's hard to see. Sorry. There. See? Not fertile. This is number 1. No veins. Okay, hold on. The next big one. Trying to feel around the box. This has got to be number 4. So let's see what number 4 is doing, because we've not looked at it in a while, since 2 days ago. Let's see what's going on in number 4. You see number 4? It's upside down, number 4. Oh, I think I'm seeing veins. Oh, I am seeing veins. Look at there. Oh, and there's the embryo. Don't fall. If it falls off, it's going to fall on a soft towel. The phone is like less than ½ an inch thick, so it's not going to go anywhere. But let's see if I put it like this and focus. I'm zoomed in as close as I can get zoomed. So if I back off, trying to see if we can see a heartbeat. I see a heartbeat. I see the embryo, it's right there in the middle, and I can see the heart beating. See it? This is number 4. So we have number 3 and 4. 1 and 2 is not fertile. Can you see that? What if I backed it off a little bit? No, it doesn't help. iPhone's really good with close-ups. I got the iPhone on a tripod. So I'm watching it that way. Focus? Come on. I keep tapping the screen to focus. But I see a heartbeat. That's the embryo. I don't know how to point to it. I can't make it point. And of course, once I upload this to YouTube, I'm not sure. Look, real close, right in the middle. Can you see that movement? That's a heartbeat. See it? Okay, this video is already 7 minutes long, so let me stop.